A new study shows images well, we're going to be talking about mobile mammography coming up in just a second and show you what it's all about. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Raising awareness is important because one of the keys to surviving the disease is actually early detection. Carrie's outside the Fox13 studios here this morning. She's joined by Dr. Hannah Chung from Mountain Medical Center to show off their mobile mammography van, which is hard to say 10 times fast, or even once, really. Carrie.
It is. It's a tongue twister, certainly. Yes, actually, we're on right now, and Dan was just saying that it's kind of a tongue twister to talk about this van. We'll just call it the Mammobile, right?
Mammobile.
Will that work?
Yep,
okay.
That's our coin term.
And this is a first of its kind, so this is something really new and neat. Talk about this.
Well, Mountain Medical, our radiology practice, introduced Mammobile in the last month and a half, and it's the first mobile mammography unit that has been introduced to Utah, and our goal here was to make it more accessible and easy for women to get their high state-of-the-art digital mammogram by bringing mammogram directly to the patient while at work or at meeting places, because we saw a need for it in the community.
Yeah, I mean, we actually did a study or reported on a study recently that said a lot of women, for some reason women in Utah, don't get their mammograms. Why is that?
That's right, and I think it's actually multifactorial, but number one, I think that there are some wrong assumptions about the risk for breast cancer, and because women feel that they're actually pretty healthy and that there's no family history, they don't realize that they're still at risk for breast cancer simply because they have breast tissue and because we're just getting older. So you don't need any risk factors, and they feel well, so they don't take advantage of a proven screening technique such as digital mammography.
Which is why this is so important. Sarah, come on up, because we'll give everybody a tour and take a look inside. Dr. Chung, we'll let you go in first. And this truly is just like a waiting room. So you enter in, and tell me a little bit about the layout and what you wanted this to be like for women.
So we want this to be very easy and private and comfortable. So the lady will walk in, she'll check in and get the patient information so that it is just like you would in a hospital, but much quicker. Short waiting area, but we anticipate that they actually wouldn't even really be waiting. Then they'll come to the private pocket changing areas, and so they're just a private room where they can change into just a gown for their mammograms to be performed subsequently. And then, ta-da! State-of-the-art digital mammograms unit. They'll have their exam.
This is just as good as the hospital or anywhere else.
It is absolutely. This is the best state-of-the-art equipment. It's digital mammography technique, and it's the same stuff that we have at all of our breast centers. And Hologic and low-rad is the best in mammography.
Now, quickly, the best thing about this whole program is that it is on wheels. So you can go to events. Tell I guess our viewers how you can get the Mammobile to come to an event.
Absolutely. So the goal here is to make it easy and convenient. So all you have to do is your business or a organization or a women's group that meets, if there's at least 10 women that are interested, you can call 801-713-0600, or look up the number on Mountain Medical on our website and just call the mobile mammo or Mammobile, and we'll come directly to you.
Okay, and we'll put that on our website too, all the information. But one last final question, I guess, cost. Insurance in some cases?
Absolutely. So most insurances will cover, in fact, insurances will cover a digital or a screening mammogram in general. And our practice will cover all insurances except for a very few rare exceptions. So yes, insurance covers a mammogram, absolutely. So really, it's really not even out of pocket.
If you don't have insurance?
If you don't have insurance, we're still more affordable than the hospitals, and there are payment plans to make it very affordable for really any woman. So really no excuse not to get a mammogram.
Not to get one. So important, life-saving. Dr. Chung, thank you for the tour. Thanks for stopping by the station.
You're welcome.
Really cool idea. Again, we'll put all the information on our website, but Dan, we'll send it back to you.
And I'll take it. No reason not to do it. Well, they may be one